In-depth review of Google Pixel 9 Pro, the ultimate Android experience. Introduction. The Google Pixel series has consistently set a high bar for what Android smartphones can achieve, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro is no exception. As the latest flagship from Google, this device promises to deliver a top-tier experience in every aspect, from design and display to performance and camera capabilities. In this in-depth review, we'll take a closer look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and how it compares to its competitors in the crowded premium smartphone market. Design and build quality, aesthetics and materials. The Google Pixel 9 Pro maintains the minimalist design language that has become synonymous with the Pixel series, but with some refinements that make it stand out. The device features a sleek, matte finish on the back, available in a variety of colors, including the classic, just black, a new, soft sage, and a striking, sunset orange. The back is made of Gorilla Glass Victus, which not only adds to the premium feel but also provides durability against scratches and drops. The edges of the phone are framed with polished aluminum, giving it a robust yet lightweight feel. Ergonomics. Despite its large 6.7-inch display, the Pixel 9 Pro feels surprisingly comfortable to hold. Google has managed to keep the weight well balanced, and the slightly curved edges make it easy to grip. The placement of the physical buttons is intuitive, with the power button and volume rocker situated on the right side, easily accessible for one-handed use. Build quality and durability. Google has equipped the Pixel 9 Pro with an IP68 rating, meaning it is dustproof and can withstand submersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This makes the device resilient against everyday accidents like spills and rain. The Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and back further enhances the durability, though it's always wise to use a case to protect your investment. Display, a visual treat. Size and resolution. The Pixel 9 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, delivering a pixel density of 512 ppi. This makes for an incredibly sharp display, where text appears crisp, and images and videos are rendered with stunning detail. The LTPO technology allows for variable refresh rates, ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, depending on the content, which not only enhances the visual experience but also conserves battery life, color accuracy, and brightness. Google has always prioritized color accuracy in its displays, and the Pixel 9 Pro is no different. The device covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, making it ideal for content creators and anyone who values accurate color reproduction. The display also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, ensuring vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or scrolling through your photo gallery, the peak brightness of 1500 nits makes the Pixel 9 Pro's display easily readable even in direct sunlight. The automatic brightness adjustment is smooth and responsive, adapting quickly to changes in lighting conditions. Adaptive display features. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 Pro's display is its adaptive refresh rate. The phone intelligently adjusts the refresh rate based on what's on the screen, lowering it to 1 Hz when viewing static content like photos, and ramping it up to 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and gaming. This not only provides a seamless visual experience but also contributes to improved battery efficiency. Performance, speed and efficiency. Processor and RAM. Under the hood, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the Google Tensor G3 chip, coupled with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. The Tensor G3 is Google's custom silicon, designed to optimize AI and machine learning tasks, making the Pixel 9 Pro a powerhouse for both performance and efficiency. This combination ensures that the device can handle everything from intensive gaming sessions to multitasking with ease. Benchmark performance. In benchmark tests, the Pixel 9 Pro performs admirably, scoring high in both CPU and GPU tests. While it might not top the charts against the latest Snapdragon or Apple A-series chips, the real-world performance is smooth and lag-free. Apps open quickly, transitions are fluid, and the device handles demanding games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty, mobile without breaking a sweat. Software optimization. Google's software optimization plays a crucial role in the Pixel 9 Pro's performance. The device runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Google's Pixel-specific tweaks that enhance the user experience. Features like the new Smart Launcher, which predicts the apps you're likely to use based on your routine, and Live Translate, which offers real-time translation in over 50 languages, are just a few examples of how the software and hardware work in harmony. Battery life and charging. The Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which, combined with the efficient Tensor G3 chip and adaptive display, provides excellent battery life. In real-world usage, the device easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use, including gaming, video streaming, and social media. For those moments when you need a quick top-up, the Pixel 9 Pro supports 30W wired charging and 23W wireless charging. While these speeds aren't the fastest on the market, they are adequate for most users. The device also supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge accessories like the Pixel Buds or even another smartphone in a pinch. Camera system, a photography powerhouse. Rear camera setup. The camera has always been the highlight of the Pixel series, and the Pixel 9 Pro continues this tradition with its impressive camera system. The rear camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultrawide lens. This versatile trio allows for stunning photography in a variety of conditions. Primary camera. The 50MP primary sensor captures incredible detail and dynamic range, making it one of the best cameras on any smartphone. Google's computational photography, powered by the Tensor G3 chip, enhances images with features like super residential zoom and night sight. The latter has been improved to deliver even better low-light performance, capturing bright and clear images in near darkness without the need for a flash. Telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. The 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom is a significant upgrade, allowing for sharp and detailed zoom shots without losing quality. The Super Residential Zoom feature can extend the zoom range digitally up to 30x, with surprisingly good results, especially in well-lit conditions. The 12MP ultra-wide lens offers a 120-degree field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots. Google has also introduced a new macro focus mode that leverages the ultra-wide lens to capture detailed close-up shots with stunning clarity. Video capabilities. The Pixel 9 Pro excels in video recording, supporting up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. The device also features Cinematic Pan, a mode that stabilizes video footage to create smooth, professional-looking pans and tilts. The improved video stabilization, combined with the Tensor G3's AI processing, ensures that your videos are steady even in shaky hands. Front camera. The 12MP front camera has also seen improvements, with better low-light performance and enhanced portrait mode. Google's AI-driven Face Unblur feature, which debuted in the Pixel 6, has been refined in the Pixel 9 Pro, ensuring that even in tricky lighting conditions, your selfies come out sharp and clear. Software experience. Pure Android with a Pixel twist. Android 14 and Pixel features. The Pixel 9 Pro runs on a clean version of Android 14, free from the bloatware that often plagues other Android devices. Google's Pixel-exclusive features add value to the software experience, making the device feel uniquely tailored to its users. Some of the standout features include Live Translate, offers real-time translation for conversations, text, and even signs using the camera, supporting over 50 languages. Call Screen. Google Assistant can screen your calls, helping you avoid spam and robocalls by providing a transcript of the caller's message. Now Playing, automatically identifies and displays the name of songs playing in your environment without the need for a separate app. Software updates. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Pixel device is timely software updates. Google promises 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security updates for the Pixel 9 Pro, ensuring that your device stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. Security and privacy. Google has made significant strides in enhancing the security and privacy of its devices. The Pixel 9 Pro features the Titan M3 security chip, which protects your sensitive information, including passwords and payment details. The Privacy Dashboard in Android 14 gives you a clear overview of how your data is being used, allowing you to manage permissions more effectively.